All right. So what does the forensic psychologist actually do?
So a forensic psychologist would have multiple roles, but there are two most important fundamental skills. The first being the assessment, and the second being the therapeutic intervention. So by that I mean assessing as to what the psychology is for the person in question, and if they have to intervene and help the perpetrator out or help the person in the question out, how would they provide help to that individual? Because assessment and intervention, basically the assessment would help give information to the judge and the jury as to what could have led to certain actions committed by the person in
Right.
question. So those are the two most important skills that they would have. The forensic psychologists would be expected to have a good understanding about the legal structure,
Right.
because that's when they come to the court as an expert witness and present the data and present the evidence in question. The second is they would have a good understanding about the psychological applications that they have in context with the legal system. So not only they have to understand the legal system, but how the evaluation and the assessment intertwines with the legal context.
That's kind of like when like a lawyer kind of tries to get their client off on like temporary insanity or something like that, right? Because they
Correct.
know psychology, but they also know the law to say this person wasn't in their right mind at this specific time. So I don't want to say they're because they still broke the law, but
Correct.
not
Yeah.
in the way that someone else would, I suppose.